how to set up take photos hands-free with the new iOS 26.5. So here if I say capture, it will take a picture. So what you want to do is let's go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open settings. Then in settings, we go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we tap on voice control. Make sure you turn on voice control at the top here. Then go down and tap on commands. Next, tap on create new command and then enter a phrase. In action, choose run custom gesture and tap where the camera shutter button is. So I'll tap it right here. And then tap on saved. We go back and then tap on application. It will apply to camera. Then tap on back and tap on saved. And that's it. Now we go back. When you open up the camera app, you can use the command that you have set, such as capture. And that's it. You can see I can now take pictures hands-free. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.